HO2 weather, Kamakapili.
Aloha poa ono, happy Saturday. It is a beautiful day across the islands, as you can see, taking a live look over Waikiki and Honolulu here on Oahu. These gorgeous conditions, though, stretch really across all the islands. Here on Oahu, from our southerly shores to our west end, a lot of blue skies, stable conditions, but some things may be changing. If you didn't notice, our winds are on the lighter side, creating some warm days, but we're actually starting to see and waking up to some of that morning dew on the grass and on the cars around us. So we're starting to see the transition of our seasons, setting us up tomorrow for another beautiful day. No advisories or warnings issued. We do have some fun-size surf, especially for the north-facing shores, as this really bigger swell starts to fill in. 8 to 12 footers up north tomorrow, 6 to 8 for the west, 1 to 3 for the south and towards the east. Now, as I mentioned, light and variable winds continue contributing to some conditions, some maybe potentially slight cloud buildup for the afternoon hours for some inland and leeward areas, and that may be the trend as we step into the days ahead of us. We're not seeing too much colors flare off, which is indicating that our winds will remain on the lighter side. We may continue to see a shift in the direction of the winds, maybe briefly returning to more of an easterly flow tomorrow, stepping into Monday, but that's going to be quickly lived because we do have a few more disturbances north of the islands. Again, another indicator that we're switching seasons with a lot more cold fronts starting to move in from the north and the northwest. So for today and potentially tomorrow, most of the shower coverage, thanks to this current cold front that's north of Kauai, we're seeing more cloud coverage, more shower activity, slight, but still more shower activity for the west end of the island chain today and tomorrow compared towards the east. But even as we step into the new week ahead of us, we're not really expecting anything significant in terms of showers. We're actually on this dry trend. We may have a slight uptick of shower activity as we get closer to the ending of the week. But aside from that, we can expect these conditions to continue. Again, a little extra cloud buildup for the west end of the island chain, more dry conditions and more sunshine expected for the east end of the islands. Now, in terms of our drought conditions, it has yet again only increased. We've seen the least category decrease as we're starting to see the other categories start to increase. So moderate conditions, which is the lighter brown, really has encompassed all of Hawaii Island, with even some of the extreme, which is the fourth category in red for the north and the southern point of the island, as you can see the western coast of the island of Maui. And then from that point on, really for all the islands moving towards the west, really every island, it's the west coast that we see the greatest drought conditions for each island. So hopefully we get some type of shower activity that could bring some type of a relief, but we're not expecting anything tonight or even tomorrow. Again, a dry trend takes us into the week ahead of us. Light and variable winds, unfortunately, look to remain as we get into the second half of the week, where trades could be returning, but that will still stay on the lighter side, leading to some afternoon showers and potentially clearing up our skies during the midnight hours. Christy, back to you.